Today we're going to multiply radical expressions, and we've already kind of been doing this, so this is kind of the formal lesson on it. So you can multiply things that are underneath the radical together. So in problem 1 we need to distribute. We're going to get square root of 2 times square root of 8, and we kind of learned this already, would be the square root of 16, plus, again, the 4 is not under the radical, so it doesn't multiply by anything other than the 1 that's out in front, times the square root of 6. We do need to simplify now. Square root of 16 is 4, so this would be plus 4 times the square root of 6, and we cannot go any farther than that. So in this one we're going to have to use our FOIL method. So the first terms, 4 times 3, would be 12. The outside would be 4 times the square root of 5. The inside would be plus 3 times the square root of 5. And the last would be plus the square root of 25. So going through and simplifying, we can't add these two together because they are different square roots underneath the radical. Except I wrote something wrong because this should be the square root of 5. So they are now like things. So we add the 4 and the 3, we get 7 times the square root of 5. Square root of 25 is 5. So simplifying, I'm going to get 17 plus 7 times the square root of 5. Again, on this one I need to use my FOIL method. So the first, I'm going to multiply my numbers. It'll be these two. 4 times 3 is 12. And the square root of 5 times 6 is 30. The outside would be these two, so it's minus 4 times the square root of 50. The inside is going to be minus 6 times the square root of 18. And then the last is going to be plus, because it's negative times a negative, 2 times the square root of 30. If you remember, the square root of 30 cannot be simplified because we already dealt with that. So let's go ahead and put those two together and get 14 times the square root of 30 minus 4, and we're going to break 50 down into 25 times 2, perfect square in there, minus 6 times the square root of 9 times 2. So simplifying these, we're going to get square root of 25 is 5, 5 times 4, so this would be minus 20 times the square root of 2. Square root of 9 is 3, 3 times 6 is 18 times the square root of 2. So we can combine those terms. So we're going to get 14 times the square root of 30 minus 38 times the square root of 2, and that would be as far as we could go. Alright, on this one again we can do some simplifying. This is more like yesterday's work instead of multiplying them. So we think of the square root of 125, probably we know 25 goes in there 5 times. Minus, I'm going to break this down, 2 times the square root of 1 over the square root of 5, plus the square root of 1 over the square root of 3. So this is 5 times the square root of 5, minus, the square root of 1 is just 1, so 2 square root of 5, plus 1 over the square root of 3. So I do need to rationalize my denominators in both places. I'm going to kind of do it in here both times at once maybe. That's what I'm multiplying by here, and here I'm going to multiply by the square root of 3 over the square root of 3. So I still have my term out front, 5 times the square root of 5. So this is going to simplify into minus 2 times the square root of 5 all over 5 times 5 would be 25 square root of 25, which is 5. And then plus square root of 3 over 3. Now these first two terms both have the square root of 5 with them, so I'm going to simplify them. So again, you can think of what's 5 minus 2/5, or you can think of 5 as 25/5. 25 minus 3 would be 23. So it's 23 times the square root of 5 all over 5 plus 3 times the square root of 3. And that would be it.